Welcome to Sun City Library's Teen Art Program. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jazz McCulley. For today's craft, we will be creating do-it-yourself coffee scrub to help exfoliate and shed your winter skin. After introductions, we will first ask for parental guidance, then go over necessary materials, and then you may follow along to the tutorial, which you can pause at any time. After the tutorial is finished, there will be contact information available. We ask that viewers have parental guidance during this video. These are the materials needed. So let's go ahead and start our craft. Let's go ahead and go over the materials needed for today's craft. First, of course, you need half a cup of coffee, half cup of sugar, whether white or brown. I chose brown. Just make sure that it's granulated. You need a quarter cup of coconut oil, and you can also put optional items such as cinnamon or any type of extract or food dye. I chose to put a couple more than 1 teaspoon of banana extract, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, and to make it a little bit more colorful, I decided to put yellow food dye. Let's go ahead and mix our dry materials first. Half cup of sugar, and then half cup of coffee. Go ahead and stir as much as you can. Alright, now you can tell that it's nice and mixed in. You don't see that too big of clumps in there of brown sugar. I'm going to be honest, I did eventually just use my hand because why not? It's going to be used anyways by my hands. Let's go ahead and add in the wet materials now. First, let's go ahead and do the coconut oil. And now I'll probably just use a stick. And then I'm just stirring it. And already it's pretty much done, but you can always add in your optional items. Alright, so now you can see that it's nice and saturated with the coconut oil. And let's add in our last step. This will be our optional items. And then here is our final product. I decided to decorate it with some ribbon and just adding some tape with marker, identifying what it is to make it a little cuter. Awesome! I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for joining us. Stay safe out there. Bye! If you enjoyed today's craft, be sure to browse our online catalog for materials such as these. Here's our contact information. Thank you so much for joining us. See you again soon. Goodbye.